Good morning, students. I am your English teacher, your Farzana ma'am from your school St. Joseph Public High School, and this is your lesson continued. We are going to continue our lesson, that is parrot and the king, the king and the parrot, and we are going to discuss our exercise today, children. If you remember, we had stopped our explanation of children till page 28. Hope you have understood the explanation of the lesson. If not, you may let me know. Okay, so we are here listening to the oral. Let's see what the oral is. The oral questions are telling us to do from the story. Read these words aloud. Okay, let's read these words: neighboring, neighboring, doubtful, doubtful, courage, courage, possibilities, possibilities. Question 1 of oral. What did the host king present to his guest? होस्ट मीन्स जहाँ हम जाते हैं और जिसके घर में मेहमान होते हैं हम, और जो मेहमान नवाजी करता है, जो हमें खाना खिलाता है, उसको हम होस्ट बोलते हैं. तो जहाँ हमारे किंग नंबर 1 जो गए थे नेबरिंग किंगडम में, और वो जो किंगडम का राजा था, किंग का, उन्होंने अपने जो राजा गया था उनको क्या प्रेजेंट मिला? What did he gave him as a present? He was given 2 lovely parrots. So the host king presented 2 lovely parrots to his guest. So you will remember, children. Okay, these all answers in my next video I am not going to share again, and in my written notes also I am not going to write this oral one you will write and send me on your own. I will write only the big question answers. Then this, who was able to make the second parrot fly? तो आप बोल सकते हैं, can you see above the 2 pictures there is a farmer picture and a king picture. So here the answer is, the farmer was able to make the second parrot fly. Okay, children, if you want the answer, I will give it to you over here. It's oral answer 1. It's you will say, the host king presented presented 2 lovely parrots to his guest. Hope you will write this way in your notebook and your full stop. Then the second one, who was able to make the second parrot fly? The farmer. The farmer. Can you see, children, what I am writing it for you? The farmer. The remaining answer lines you are going to take from a question. The farmer was able, you are going to say from here, from this part of your question, was able to make the second parrot fly, and you will put full stop. Okay, multiple choice questions. Tick right the correct answer in each. The king called the best trainer to teach the parrots to speak. B. Train the parrots. Very good. So the answer is B. Okay. So children, you are going to tick nicely over here. You can do these answers in your textbook. Okay, turn your book to page number 29. We will continue with our multiple choice questions. The surprise that the king had the next morning was that the parrot was ill, the parrot was flying. Very good. So, the answer is B1 right, the parrot was flying. 3. The parrot had the qualities to fly, but it did not have a courage. Very good. यानी वो उड़ सकते थे बट उनमें क्वालिटी क्या नहीं थी, दैट ही वॉज नॉट हैविंग करेज. यस, करेज मीन्स स्ट्रेंथ, और जो आपके अंदर आपके खुद के मन से जो आप कर सको हिम्मत के साथ. सो योर करेज इज योर हिम्मत. ओके, रिटन. Now these answers I will be giving you in your written form, but still we will discuss. Read and answer. 1. Where did the king go one day? The king went to his, he visited his neighboring kingdom. Okay, one day he visited his neighboring kingdom. 2. What 2 things did the king do when he came back from his visit? What 2 things did he do? He had his parrots as a gift with him. So, he first arranged a special place in his palace garden, and the second thing is he told or he announced for the bird trainer to come and train his new parrots, lovely parrots. Okay, 2 things were there. These were the 2 things. 3. What did he tell the bird trainer? Bird trainer से उन्होंने क्या बोला? That he is the one of the most best trainer of his kingdom, and he will train these 2 lovely parrots for the king. Okay. 4. What problem did the bird trainer face? Bird trainer को problem क्या आई? Okay, उन्होंने क्या problem face किया? One is that the first parrot, one parrot was able to fly high up in the sky, but the second parrot didn't move at all from his place from the time he was brought from his neighboring kingdom. Okay. Think and answer. 1. One day when the king was lost in deep thought. Why do you think the king was lost in deep thought? यानी एक दिन राजा जो है बड़ी यानी कि बहुत सोच रहे थे बैठे बैठे. तो आपके हिसाब से क्या थॉट था उनका? वाई डू यू थिंक द किंग वॉज लॉस्ट इन डीप थॉट? ही वॉज टोटली पजल्ड एंड ही वॉज टोटली he didn't knew, you can write this way, that he didn't knew what to do with the parrot who couldn't fly at all or move at all from the place where it sat from the first day he was brought. And he didn't had any person to train this parrot in his kingdom. Even the best trainer was unable to train the parrot, the second parrot or in his kingdom. So, this was the thoughts, deep thoughts he was lost in. Okay, I will give you these 2 in writing, don't worry. 2. How did the poor farmer solve the problem of the king? वो poor farmer ने ये solve कैसे किया problem? So, the poor farmer, what did he do? In the end we came to know that even king was having doubt that whether the farmer will be able to solve the problem of the second parrot. So, to his surprise, king's के surprise say the farmer, what he do? He cut down the branch on which the parrot was sitting, and this made him fly high up in the sky, because his comfort zone was cut off and he had to move. The parrot had to fly to get the best possibility further. Okay. 3. What 2 qualities of the parrot didn't allow it to fly? वो जो 2 क्वालिटीज़ थी पैरेट की, उनको क्या मजबूर कर दिया कि वो नहीं फ्लाई कर पाए? वो the 2 qualities were of the parrot were that it was not having courage, courage नहीं था उनमें, ये quality आ गई थी, and plus it was having a comfort zone sitting on one place. वो उधर ही अपने आप को सुरक्षित महसूस कर रहे थे, एक ही ब्रांच में बैठे बैठे, उनको दूसरी जगह से डर लग रहा था. He was afraid, the parrot was afraid, and he was even not having enough courage to move from that place. Okay. 4. What must have read, you must have read about the mountaineers climbing up steep mountain slopes, how do you think they are able to perform such a difficult task? आपने सुना होगा, you must have read about the mountaineers, यानी कि जो पहाड़ों पे चढ़ते हैं उनको mountaineers बोलते हैं. ओके तो वो जब क्लाइम करते हैं एकदम खड़े खड़े पहाड़ पे, steep means very there is no slope in the mountain, it's very straight, there is no angle in the mountain. Even the straight mountains they are able to go up or climb up, the mountaineers, they are trained for it. So how do you think they are able to perform such a difficult task? ये difficult task कैसे perform कर लेते हैं? Due to their courage and they have knowledge that there is some possibility in the movement. यानी आगे बढ़ते रहेंगे तो हमें chances और मिलेंगे. हम एक जगह बैठे रहेंगे तो हमें कोई chance मिलेगा नहीं. We have to stuck in that environment. But to get more if you want to reach to a higher goal, आपको आगे बढ़ना है ज़िंदगी में, तो चिल्ड्रन आपको अलग अलग चैलेंजेस एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ेगा, करेज लाना पड़ेगा. ओके चिल्ड्रन, यानी कि अलग अलग पॉसिबिलिटीज़ जो है फेस करनी पड़ेगी. रेफरेंस टू कॉन्टेक्स्ट, रीड दिस सेंटेंस एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चन दैट फॉलो. लेट्स सी दिस. द बर्ड इज स्टिल नॉट मूविंग फ्रॉम इट्स ब्रांच. बर्ड अपने ब्रांच से अभी भी नहीं हिल रहे हैं. ए क्वेश्चन, who says this to whom? This was said by the bird trainer to the king. B. Which bird is being talked about? ये कौन से bird के बारे में बात हो रही है? The second bird which was still on the branch. Yes. C. Why does the speaker say still? ये speaker ने still क्यों बोला? Still means आपका जो मोमेंट नहीं होता है कोई चीज़ में उसको हम स्टिल बोलते हैं. ओके तो वो जो मोमेंट नहीं कर रहा था ना, पैरेट मूव ही नहीं कर रहा था, एक जगह पे एकदम जैसे कि स्टैचू की तरह खड़ा हुआ था. तो जब हम स्टैचू की तरह खड़े रहते हैं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं हिलते हैं, वी बी स्टिल एट दैट प्लेस. ओके, व्हाई डज द स्पीकर से स्टिल? बिकॉज द पैरेट वॉज नॉट मूविंग, दैट्स व्हाई द स्पीकर यूज द वर्ड स्टिल. डी. What happens next in the story? आगे की स्टोरी में क्या हुआ? The different trainers were called or various almost all the trainers came and they tried their level best to make the parrot fly, but none of them were able to do such thing and they were all helpless to move the parrot. But one day a poor farmer came and he offered his you can say service to the king that he will make the parrot fly. He did his job very well, and when the king asked him how you could make the parrot fly, so what was the answer of the farmer? He told that he cut down the branch where the parrot was sitting, he removed his comfort zone, he removed him from the comfort zone and he made him face the challenges with the different possibility, and so the second parrot could fly. And the lesson we learned, the moral of the story is we have to be away from a comfort zone and find the different possibilities in our life. Okay children, we will go to the next page, we will do a little bit of over here, it is your higher order thinking skills. Let us see what this question is asking us to do. The king was doubtful, but still he allowed the farmer to try. King जो farmer आए थे, poor farmer अपना service देने के लिए, उसके लिए king राजी नहीं थे, doubtful थे, थोड़ा हिचकिचा रहे थे, but still farmer को try करने बोला. Why do you think the king was doubtful and yet he let the farmer try? Because of all the trainers, the best trainers of his kingdom tried, but they couldn't also even make the parrot fly. And the poor farmer, when he came, so naturally anybody will be in doubtful that trainers couldn't do their job, and the farmer who is not the trainer of the birds, how could he be able to do this service? Okay, talk. Telephonic conversation, let us read this. Rohan is going to a stadium to watch a cricket match. He makes a phone call to his friend Varun to tell him about it. तो ये क्या बता रहा है? रोहन जो है स्टेडियम जा रहा है, कहाँ क्या करने के लिए? क्रिकेट मैच देखने के लिए. वो फ़ोन कॉल करते हैं किसको, फ्रेंड को, वरुण को, टू टेल हिम अबाउट इट, और वरुण को इन्फॉर्मेशन दे रहे हैं कि वो कहाँ जा रहे हैं. लेट्स सी दिस. रोहन, हेलो वरुण, दिस इज रोहन हियर, हाउ आर यू. तो वरुण ने क्या आंसर दिया, आई एम फाइन रोहन. रोहन अगेन, Varun, tomorrow I am going to the stadium to watch the cricket match that will be held between India and Sri Lanka. What did Varun say? Wow, that's great. Please call me up and tell me about your experience. Rohan, sure I will. Okay, bye. Take care. Varun, okay, bye. So these are the conversation between two friends. Let's see what the next. Next day, Rohan calls Varun in the evening to tell him all about the cricket match. Role play a telephonic conversation between the two with the help of the given keywords. What are the keywords? Stadium, holding banners, winner, prize, interview of the winning captain. So you are going to give information again to your friend about what you saw over there. स्टेडियम कैसे भरा हुआ था, एंड बैनर्स किस किसने उछाले थे या पकड़े हुए थे, और विनर, हु वाज द विनर ऑफ द टीम, देन व्हाट वाज द प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड टू whom, देन इंटरव्यू ऑफ द विनिंग कैप्टन, जो टीम ने विन किया उनका इंटरव्यू कैसा रहा. So you are going to do this, children. I am not going to share this in my written notes. You are going to send me this conversation on my WhatsApp. Listen, Mrs. Kumar has lost her dog. Pictures of 4 dogs are given alongside. You are going to open your textbook of page number 156 and give me this answer. You are going to listen to the description of Mrs. Kumar's dog and identify it. और इधर कौन सा dog उनका है वो identify करना है. Right, children? Yes. This you are going to send it to me. Speak. You are going to speak. Say these words loudly. As you know, you are going to immediately repeat after me. Happy, hello, half, hand, humor, who, head, heel, hero, healthy, history, helpful. So children, will wind up this video over here, and hope you have understood the discussion of your exercise, and hope you will be soon sending me your answers, and keep reading your lessons to improve your English, to improve your reading skills and writing skills too. Till then children, bye.